I was scrolling on TikTok the other day and I saw this comment, and it really got me thinking, do people actually believe that social media is just for fun? Like, they don't know that there are people going home with over 2 million per month for just being on social media. I know 2 million sounds like a big number, and I understand. I would have also dismissed this claim if you told me this before I got into this space. But today, with my small numbers, I can see it. I can actually see the potential. And today, I don't want us to talk about the 2 million. I want us to talk about the 10,000 Kenyan shillings per month extra income, the 20,000 Kenyan shillings per month extra income, or even the 100,000 Kenyan shillings per month, because I know it is actually possible. We are not looking for a job here. We are looking for an extra source of income, a side hustle. And the reason why I'm covering this is because I realize we talk about investments a lot, and some people struggle to actually raise the money to invest. But if we could get an extra source of income, this would actually be easy for you to invest in the opportunities that I'm talking about here on Study of Wealth. And the major reason I'm doing this is because there's only so much you can do to cut on your expenses. There is only so much you can do to live below your means, right? So at some point, we need some extra source of income to be able to invest. And get this, guys, studies show that the average person spends over 2 hours, 30 minutes per day scrolling through social media. Think about that for a minute. How long do you spend scrolling through social media? What if there was a way to make that time productive? So today I want us to look at how to earn some extra cash from social media, how to monetize the 2 hours that you spend on social media, or the 2 hours that you have extra per day. And we're going to mention 5 ways, but our star will be number 5, the affiliate marketing. So the first way you can monetize your social media is by offering a service. And I know this is not for everyone, but listen to this. If you have a skill that you know you're very good at, or you have some knowledge that you know is not readily available to many people, you can use social media to let people know that you have such a skill or you have that knowledge. Yes, and with time, when they realize that you actually know what you're talking about and you're good at what you're doing, they will start reaching out to you for the service. When I started doing content around finance, I never thought anyone would actually be willing to pay for the knowledge that I heard. Turns out that so many people were interested, and the reason why I didn't think that people would be willing to pay is because, number one, I didn't do finance in school. I studied something completely different from this. I did community health and development, but I have always had a passion in finance. But when I combine my passion in finance and the skill that I have in research, and together with the fact that I am able to grasp financial concepts very easily, I came up with Study of Wealth. I came up with this idea of creating content for people who are interested in investment opportunity, and people are willing to reach out to me for me to pass this knowledge to them, despite the fact that I didn't study finance in school. So this is one way of making money on social media. And if you don't want to do one-on-one sessions, you still have 4 other options that you're going to be discussing. The number 2 way that you can make money on social media or through your social media is through brand deals and sponsorships. Do you know that brands pay you directly to promote their products in your page? But the key here is to have numbers. Brands pay for numbers. The more followers you have, the more appealing you are to different brands, okay? So your job here is to make sure that you're growing your numbers. If it's through entertainment or providing valuable information, or just talking about the skills that you have, and then go for it. So long as you're providing value to people, you're going to be growing your numbers organically. Just look for hacks in the platform that you're using. For example, if you're using TikTok, go to TikTok, search for things like how to get more views, how to get more followers, and trust me, so many people are talking about this, and you're going to be getting with time, you're going to be getting what works well for you. So you can grow the numbers, and with time, when you get to a certain threshold, I remember for me, the first brand deal that I did, I had 13,000 followers on TikTok. So it means that you're getting paid to speak about what you speak about in your platform. The number 3 way you can make money on social media is through platform monetization. And this is where platforms like YouTube and maybe Facebook comes in. They pay for views. I know TikTok is monetized in some areas, but it is restricted in other countries. But here in Kenya, you cannot directly monetize your TikTok account. But I actually found a way around this, and that brings me to the sponsor of this video, Go Login. Have you ever heard people say that if you have access to a TikTok account from someone in the US and they allow you to use it, you can actually monetize your TikTok account? What they don't tell you is there is actually a huge chance that TikTok will know you are accessing it from a different country and they can actually flag that account. But with Go Login, you can log in and manage that account as if you are in US, making it possible for you to actually earn through a platform monetization in TikTok. And now with Go Login, we can actually say goodbye to the frustration of being blocked because of where you're from. I remember how happy I was when I hit 10,000 followers on TikTok. I thought I could monetize my platform, but I was crushed when I realized I couldn't do that because I was in Kenya. And the other day, I had a client who wanted me to help with their Robinhood account for crypto and shares trading, and I was blocked because I am in Kenya. Later on, I learned that I can actually access Robinhood's trading platform using Go Login. And this reminds me of a time that I had an issue with a certain platform account. Despite my effort to fix it, I couldn't. So I tried creating a new account using a different email, but my IP address triggered an error blocking the attempt because they could realize, or they could see my IP address had an account with them. So for those who are new to Go Login is an anti-detect browser that lets you manage multiple accounts without getting flagged. It also breaks down geographical barriers, opening global opportunities for us. If you have encountered such issues, even when you're doing maybe or interacting with survey platforms, this is your solution and the process is very easy. All you need to do is to download the application and you get to enjoy these features. So if you're interested in accessing opportunities that were not available to you before, I'll leave this link in the description box so that you can create an account and start your journey today. And the number 4 way that you can actually make money through your social media is through digital products. If you don't want maybe to do the one-on-one sessions and you have the knowledge, you can actually put that knowledge into a digital product. Then you will start creating content to provide value to the client so that they can see and know you actually know what you're talking about and you have some skills and knowledge about what you're talking about. They will then pay for the product just to get more information about what you're providing. So these can be things like courses, eBooks, guides, and digital products. And for this, we actually have platforms where you can list your products and receive money through M-Pesa. Check my ebook in the Payhip, which I speak about how to invest in shares. And this is an example of a platform that you can use to maybe sell your ebook or to sell your courses. And it's free to list on this platform and you get paid through M-Pesa, okay? Our number 5 way that you can make money through social media is affiliate marketing. Remember, we said this is our stuff for today. This is the best way for beginners and this is very powerful. I remember I used to hear people say that they make a lot of money through affiliate marketing, but I didn't believe it before. I didn't believe that you could actually make money through affiliate marketing. I thought people were just saying that just for the sake of it. But right now, as a content creator, I believe this 100%. And the way affiliate marketing works is you take a product from a site that has this program, and then you promote the product, and in return, you earn a commission for people who will be buying the product through your links, okay? So you don't need to own the product, and then you don't also need a huge following to begin. And I'll give you an example here in Kenya. In Kenya, we have Jumia affiliate program called Jumia KOL, and this is the most popular one here in Kenya. So first you sign up and you only need like 500 followers. Then you choose a niche. This is the area that you're going to focus in. And then you get a product from Jumia website and share it with your socials or in your social media platforms. Of course, you will share the photo of the product, and if you have a video or you want to do a review, you can do so. Then when people click on the link, you earn a commission from Jumia. you get around 11% of the price of the product. That is what you're going to be earning. So for this, you don't require any capital, just the knowledge on how to go about it, and you can just start anywhere so long as you have a social media account. And for other affiliate programs, you don't actually need to have followers. Like I tried Amazon Associates, I didn't have any followers in my account, but I applied for the program and I was approved. And then I think the reason why it didn't work is the approach. The way I approached it was wrong, because you can't just sell, and I'm going to talk about this in details later in the video. And the other thing I think it didn't work is because I focused on the wrong niche. I went into the fashion niche and I don't know much about fashion. So that was the wrong niche. And I was also into so many things. So I was trying so many things at the time and I lost focus and I lost a lot of time. So for this one, if you have the right approach, you can do very well. So for affiliate marketing, it depends on the niche that you're going to choose. Make sure that you choose a niche that you know you can do well, at least you have some knowledge of, okay? Or you're willing to do a lot of research to be able to understand whatever you're talking to people about. If you have that time, then that is very good. You can actually be able to get companies in that particular niche. If it's, for example, is e-commerce, which has product in different niches, you can check them on Amazon, Jumia, and Kilimall. For people in tech, we have a number of affiliate programs for web hosting. So for people in traveling niche, this is rich in affiliate programs. So options are endless. You can choose the niche that you want. If you want a full video on affiliate marketing, please drop affiliate marketing in the comment section, and I'm going to be doing another video to just break down these affiliate marketing and how to go about it and how to create an account with some of these affiliate programs. Now, I want us to talk about the most important things when it comes to monetizing your social media. And I think this is the thing that I was missing when I was doing affiliate marketing, when I was trying the Amazon Associate program or the Amazon Affiliate Marketing program. And these are the most important things. And number one is consistency and value. So it means that when you're doing this or when you want to monetize your social media, you need to build trust. That is number one. And trust is built by consistency and providing value. People need to know that you know what you're talking about, and you need to be posting as often as possible. The other thing is to make sure that you choose at least 2 platforms to focus on, and then later on you can maybe go to other platforms. This allows you to concentrate on 2 and learn how the platforms work before you move to other platforms. I focused on TikTok and YouTube, and now I'm moving to Instagram. The number 2 thing that you need to do for you to monetize your account is to make sure that you're in the right niche. Because I think the reason why my first attempt to do affiliate marketing didn't work is because I had no idea whatsoever about fashion, but I tried it, but it didn't work out because I didn't know what I was talking about. And people can clearly see when you don't know what you're talking about, and that is the reason why it flopped. And this reminds me, someone once said that the most successful products are the ones built from, number 1, solving a pain, and number 2 is from personal experience, and number 3 is from a passion. And he said that if you have a product that hits all the 4 areas, then success is inevitable. So if you have that, then you need to go for it and don't overthink it. Start with what you already love to do, or what you know, the skill that you have, that is your niche. Pick one platform and go deep onto it to mastering it, okay? The other thing that you need to be very careful, especially when it comes to affiliate marketing, is you need to know that you have to create value or to provide value, not just sharing links. Don't just post affiliate links. Trust me, if you do that, people are not going to be buying through your links. You need to provide value first. They need to understand that you know what you're talking about, and then they can translate or they can convert to be your customer. Then later on, you can be sharing the links. And if you do it right, people are going to be buying through your links. For this, for you to create content for your social media platforms, you can use free tools like ChatGPT for content ideas, and you can also use a free Canva for visuals. The reason why I'm sharing this is because I want you to realize people pay for what saves them time. Your knowledge, your story is valuable. And if people are finding value in it, they are going to be paying for you to give that knowledge or to pass that knowledge to them. You just need to start with what you have and where you are. The idea should be solving other people's problem, okay? So here is your first step. Pick one product you love and create one piece of content about it today. Let me know in the comment section what niche you're thinking of getting into, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips on building your wealth right here in Kenya. See you in our next video. Bye.